6:32 is the time. We start with breaking news this morning. A series of explosions gave some people in West Reading quite a scare this morning. This is video of the scene just into our newsroom. It happened just before 5 a.m. near the intersection of Eureka Way and Buenaventura Boulevard. Firefighters tell us a transient campfire got out of control and quickly spread. It caused some barbecue-sized propane tanks to explode. No one was hurt. Firefighters have the fire contained. It is the second transient campfire to spread out of control in as many days. Just yesterday, firefighters quickly handled a quarter-acre fire near the Sundial Bridge.